Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for selecting Pentair's IntelliValve, the most revolutionary valve actuator ever created. Let's take a look at some of its features and how easy it is to program. The IntelliValve valve actuator lets you set just the right flow for water features. Its intuitive controls and LED position indicator lights make operation fast and push button easy. 13 bright LEDs provide a clear visual indication of the valve position from fully open to fully closed, and everywhere in between. Simply use the left, right, and save buttons to set the perfect flow rate in just seconds. IntelliValve has a number of innovative features, including the 13 LEDs give precise, easy-to-read indication of valve position. Built-in interface allows quick and simple setup of water flow. Sleek, minimalist design is compact and fits easily within any equipment pad. Sealed, maintenance-free design is weatherproof for maximum reliability and extended service life. IntelliValve can be used with 1.5", 2-inch, 2.5", and even 3-inch valves. IntelliValve operates on 24 volts, which means that it can be used with most automation systems.
Thanks for watching.